How to make a video gallery on Wix website. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make a video gallery on Wix website. So the first thing that you need to do for that is to log into Wix.com. And once when we do, you can see that you will be redirected here on this home page. This is also called the dashboard, by the way. And here you can see there are a variety of features of the dashboard that you can use. For example, getting paid feature, events feature, sales feature, blog feature, apps feature, site and mobile app, inbox, customer and lead marketing, analytics and automation. Like there are a variety of features that you can use. However, if we come back to the point, in order to make a video gallery, what do you need to do? You just need to click on design site and open the website that you're working on. For example, let's delete this, and this is the website that we're working on. Here you can see that I've just deleted something to make a section clear for us. Now there are two ways to add videos. The first is we have to go to gallery, and here we can find a lot of photo and video gallery, like animated ones and all that stuff. But if we come here, video and music, and wait a second. Yeah. So if you come here, we can see that there's a single uh, video player that we can embed here, or we can embed YouTube channel or Vimeo channel, Facebook, Dailymotion, or we can have, multiple uh, video grids align here. So that's completely up to us. But if I add this one right here, it's added right here. So now in order to change the video, you need to click on change video. And here we can upload a video from our computer, which I believe is a very great feature. But apart from that, you can also upload a video from YouTube, use it here or like Vimeo, Facebook, Dailymotion, and Twitch. And we can also tweak some options right here, such as turn on autoplays or turn them off, or play the video in a loop. And we can also write a description for the video. That's completely up to us. So this is how we change the video. For example, if you have uploaded, we'll click here, or we can change the video from here too, and add media from Wix if we like it, or we can choose from Shutterstock. Shutterstock is basically a royalty-free site, and we can also use AI to make our video. So that was it. That's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.